Severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall to impact parts of Victoria and much of New South Wales today and again on Monday. And we can see that there with today's storm map. You can see widespread storms across much of northern and eastern New South Wales and even into much of central and eastern parts of Victoria as well. But of particular concern are those that live in this red highlighted area where we're likely to see severe thunderstorms from around the Dubbo area all the way through Wagga Wagga, Albury-Wodonga and even into the very far north of Melbourne as well. In these red areas we could see severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall today. And that could lead to flash flooding of businesses, roads and property. We could also see dangerous driving conditions with these storms, as well as we could see damage to homes, properties and businesses, trees down and power lines down, particularly with those damaging winds. So very stormy day on the way this afternoon, and we could see even bigger storm day on the way on Monday through much of inland New South Wales and northeastern Victoria, with another round of large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall that can cause a number of these issues. So let's look at that in more detail. Firstly, this afternoon, widespread shower and thunderstorm activity across much of northern and eastern New South Wales and much of eastern and northeastern Victoria as well. Could even see a few showers and storms to the north of Melbourne. Then, as we move into tonight, into the early hours of Monday, we're likely to see that storm risk continue through parts of New South Wales and eastern Victoria. We could see some heavy falls possibly developing through eastern parts of Victoria and southeast parts of New South Wales. And that too could lead to some flash and possible minor riverine flooding. So watch out for that in far eastern Victoria and southeastern New South Wales. Then as we move through the day on Monday, you can see widespread rain and thunderstorms across much of New South Wales and again through eastern Victoria, with another round of severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall. And we could see that rain really increase through eastern and central parts of New South Wales on Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning, with possible heavy falls from around Newcastle all the way down through Wollongong and possibly the south coast, while showers and storms will continue further inland and then move up into southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales on Tuesday. But how much rainfall is going to fall? Well, as you can see here, we could see widespread falls of 25 to 50 millimetres through eastern Victoria and much of central and eastern New South Wales. And we could see even heavier falls in excess of 100 millimetres possible through parts of eastern Victoria and particularly around central and southeastern parts of New South Wales, particularly where those storms tend to heavy rainfall, and that could lead to flash and possible minor riverine flooding. But you can see a wet and stormy few days on the way. So with all this severe thunderstorm activity in Victoria and New South Wales today and on Monday, make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings by our website and app, and listen to all advice from emergency services.